I don't know how to say it without being so rude. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I am happy with the outcome. I am glad. I hope Johnny Depp will take this to bring us more memorable acting scenes, more characters. I hope he's gonna get better with his addiction, take care of his health, see it as a second chance for himself and us as well. Treat the fans, treat his family very, very well and better than he used to. For Amber Heard, I hope she learned from this mistake. I hope she finds help as well and gets better and learns from this to never ever do something like this again. And I hope this whole thing, this whole trial, is an example for anyone out there who is trying to be a victim, even though they're not, to stop doing it and to think twice before they try to screw someone over for their own agendas. And good luck to actual victims, and I hope in the future we're gonna get louder voices from actual victims, and we will have someone else, whether it's a female or a male representative of victims, who is actually who went through shit and got a win, you know, like, in my opinion. And in a way, JD was one of those. Like, if we see any of these as a victim, I would say JD was the victim, and he should be the one talking in the voice of victims, not her. But it's kind of so hard right now for him to be on that side after every shit that happened the last years. So yeah, that's my opinion, but let's go and see.
All right.
How
Mr.
this happened.
Foreperson, is this the
Did
verdict
she
of the jury?
cry?
All right. Is it unanimous? Yes. Thank you, sir. Jamie?
In civil case number CL 2019.
Sorry, I don't know if you heard in the other room.
2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote,
Really,
I
cat
spoke
girl?
up
I put
against
the
sexual
chat on.
violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. End quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Oh.
Question, the statement was about Mr.
Oh
Depp?
my God.
Answer, yes. Question, the
Everything.
statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement
calling
has
her a
a
liar.
defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Literally everything on her.
Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication
She's
of the
screwed.
statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Oh my God. Like, literally calling
2.
her the
As to
villain.
the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed,
That one.
Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. End
She
quote.
does look sad.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp
She
proven
lost it all.
by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Oh my God.
Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
There you go.
Question, the statement was false?
Remember when she
Answer.
was saying, oh, it wasn't about Johnny Depp. No, it wasn't. And she went over her weight to say that it wasn't. Well, guess what?
Yes. Question.
Yes, it
The
was.
statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp.
He's not there, right?
Yes.
I don't see him.
Question. The
Why is
defamatory
he not there?
implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer. Yes. Question. Due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to
Why
someone
is
who
he in
saw
UK?
it other than Mr. Depp. Answer. Yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp
I would be
has
there.
proven by clear and
If
convincing
I was
evidence
JD, I would be
that
there.
Ms. Heard acted with actual malice?
He's in a
Answer,
concert.
yes. 3. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled "A Transformative Moment for Women" in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence
All right.
that question
I'm just looking
the
at their
statement was made
faces.
or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes.
Oh my God.
Question, the statement has a
Everything.
defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
Literally everything on
Question,
his
the
side.
defamatory implication was designed and intended
Like
by
a
Ms.
total
Heard?
win.
Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Oh my God. Literally calling her the villain. She acted on malice. That's it.
As against Amber
She did it
Heard,
because
we, the
she's
jury,
hate her.
award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million.
What the fuck?
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement, appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax
Well, was it
facts
Johnny
as the
who said
sword,
that?
inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all
And
the
Mr.
elements
Depp.
of defamation?
So basically, wasn't Johnny Depp who said that? It was someone else. Maybe his lawyers on his side.
Answer, no. 2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27,
She lost this one too.
2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops.
Somebody
But
else
the
is
first
talking.
attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property.
Yep.
So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight
Imagine
under
having
the
friends
direction
like
of a
that.
lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes.
Oh my God.
Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As
she
to
got
this
one.
statement appearing in the April 27th, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, "We've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp," end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no.
Okay, no, all right. She
As
got
against John
so-
C. Depp
something.
II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
All right. Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Jamie?
All right. All right.
Members of the
So basically, she's gonna get 2 million, but she has to give 15, so she has to give 13 million.
jury, if this is your
All right.
verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Juror number 10.
Look at
Juror
the
number
lawyers;
15.
they are so defeated.
Juror number 16. Juror number 22.
Oh my god! I thought it's a bomb. What the hell?
Juror number 27. Juror number 29.
Why are they still
I do
worried?
find that the
Camilla still
jury's
looks
verdict is
worried. Like
unanimous.
that's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your
Done.
service in this case.
Destroyed.
I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial, and I know I speak for everybody here
he's so
when
happy.
I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So
Camilla
I'm
is
going to have you go
crying.
back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
She's crying. They're so happy. Oh my god! I saw a scene where they were like hugging each other, right? I don't know, but at the end, like they were hugging or something. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. I can't believe it. Like, I'm so happy. Okay. All right. Ah. Ah. Ouch. 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 Statement. The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. English. The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand. Mountain of evidence, by the way, to stand up to the disappropriation, power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. No, it's not. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. I believe Johnny's attorneys succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech. Freedom of speech! And ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. I'm sad I lost this case, but I am sadder that still that I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly. Freedom. See, that's my issue with freedom of speech in America. There is a difference between freedom and speech, and there is a difference when you put other people in danger by talking out loud. So when you think about it, freedom of speech doesn't even exist. As we saw from one of these videos that we watched, freedom of speech is just a lie. It doesn't exist. Because once you put you endanger other people, especially the ones that you love, you will never have freedom of speech. People don't have freedom of speech because there is always someone else who can get in trouble, you know? And that's why you cannot always say what you think. June 1st, National Johnny Depp Victory Day. Let's go! I love this. I love it. What did he say though? Does he have a... Does Johnny Depp have a YouTube... not a YouTube, a Twitter? Does he have a Twitter? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't see any Twitter. I don't think that he has. But did he make a statement as well? Like, this is her statement. Did he make any statement? I can barely see it actually. Wait. 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed. All in the blink of an eye. False, very serious and criminal allegations were levied at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content. Although no charges were ever brought against me, it had already traveled around the world twice within a nanosecond, and it had a seismic impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled. My decision to pursue this case, knowing very well the height of the legal hurdles that I would be facing and the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. I am and I have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never give up. I also hope that the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and in the media. I wish to acknowledge the noble work of the judge, the jurors, the court staff, and the sheriffs who have sacrificed their own time to get to this point, and to my diligent and unwavering legal team who did an extraordinary job in helping me to share the truth. The best is yet to come, and a new chapter has finally begun.
Pikachu,
Truth never perishes. Veritas nunquam perit. Oh my god! This makes me so freaking happy. The difference between the tone of what he's saying, how legit, how like deep, how emotional, sensitive, everything he's saying. He literally doesn't have to put himself behind others to make himself feel bigger. You know, it's everything he is saying is out of that. Like, he literally doesn't have to bring any other examples. This is the truth, legit the truth. While yeah, Amber sounded like a whiny one, like literally saying, oh, other women made a setback here, oh, other people, you made a problem, you made a mistake not following me, you know, because of you made this mistake, and this mistake is gonna hurt you, you know. That's how her words felt like. And his words are all about him and his children and the family and the people involved in the case and everything. Like, it's so much different, it's so much better, so much more humane.
You are a summer